What's going on, YouTube? We back with another video. Today I'm here with Dean. He's just right there. But we're actually gonna be installing a Torque Solutions short throw shifter and the shifter stopper. Right now I already got the car jacked up because y'all seen me do that a million times. No point. I've seen people do it too. So just go ahead and go under the car and I'm gonna show y'all what to do and what to unbolt. Look who decided to show up.
Oh, what's up? What's up?
What you do to your car today?
Got my foot delete.
I'll show you what it sounds like later, but right now we gotta worry about Susie real quick. All right, so first things first, we got 4 of these bolts. We got 1, 2's around here somewhere. It's probably right there. So we got 2. Some of the cars not that much space, and 3 and 4 right there. Sorry, there should be 4 12mm bolts, and just remove the heat shield. All right, next step, those 1, 2, opposite sides also right there. 10mm. Just remove those and remove that plate also. All right, next one is to get a screwdriver and just pry off right there. Let's see if I can do this on camera. There we go. Yeah! Alright, next step is just to push up on these 2 pins right there and then just unlock this off pretty much. Alright, so just disengage it like that and then you can get out from under the car. My bad, yeah, we gotta remove this nut and this other nut right there to release this from the actual car. So let me go ahead and do that and then get up to the front. All right, here now all my stuff is out, but you're gonna release that bolt, and then these 2 bolts or screws or whatever, and you can be able to release the center console right here. All right, while we're about doing this, let me ask you a little interview real quick. So, have you done this before?
Yeah.
Yeah, and what car did you previously own before the A3?
A Scion FRS.
Scion FRS?
Yep.
Toyota 86.
36. Super BRZ.
Well, who gives a shit?
Slowest car in the car community.
That's a Miata. But what made you want to sell that car?
Junkie.
Junkie?
Junkie.
What makes it junky though?
Shit's constantly falling apart, man.
Really?
Oh yeah.
It's true that the bumper's as bad as I hear?
Yes.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
No, yeah. Bumpers are really bad on those. Constant bumper gaps.
All right, can someone give me a 10mm, please? That's a shift knob, buddy. Oh, I forgot. Take off your shift knob too, my bad. Yeah, but back to the interview, right? Yes, sir. So, why'd you want me to get this car instead of 86?
Get this car?
Yeah. Well, you never wanted me to get this car.
Yeah.
You wanted me to get a Miata.
Well, a Miata?
Yeah, that's what I heard people telling me.
No.
No? Oh.
I didn't care what car you got.
You did. You said, no Honda CR-V and no Toyota Sienna. And I was like, why not?
Oh my God.
Well, get out. It's time for someone else to interview. You're being lame. Alrighty, sir. So, who are you?
My name is Julian Cantero.
Okay. And what car do you drive?
I drive a Hyundai Elantra Sport.
What color is it?
19 is blue.
Blue one? It's the blue one from earlier. You know what I'm talking about.
It's gonna change here soon. Don't worry about it.
We changed it to 2.
Either, what was it, like red, brown? Okay.
Hold on. I'm gonna pause you real quick. But, excuse all this, but we should be able to just move this out now. If I can do one hand. Oh, yeah, sorry. To move this is my fault. Just. Oh, crap. There we go. Rocky. Oh, wow. This is. Dang, hold on. I'm about to put my hand down and I'm gonna get right back to it. All right, so next out, shout out girlfriend right here. Shout out Tiff. But should just be able to. Oh, this light's gonna get messed up. Oh, whatever. Be able to just push it back and just pull it up. Oh, I'm not budging.
I have to use a little bit of force there.
A little bit of force. You're right. Let me just move these lights out the way. Oh, yeah, it's moving. What's going at it? I just. Oh, my fault. Didn't know it all like that. But yeah, I think we just be able to just remove this whole section. Let's see. Oh, it's not split.
Oh yeah.
Just put that right there. That's cool with me. All right, shift the assembly part. Sorry, these men wanted more camera time, but it's cool. So, what are your future plans with your car?
Future plans. First thing I'm gonna do, get them damn exhaust tips.
Okay.
I just got a pea shooter right now. It's kind of funky.
Don't pull it out, I'm not cool. Don't be like D. He be fiddling.
Nah, so get an exhaust tip.
Okay.
I'm gonna lower it. Probably get some springs first. Get coilovers later on.
I say just jump straight to coilovers. No point. That's just me though.
Hey, that would be me too. We gonna see how the funds is looking. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna look how the funds is looking.
Yeah. Hey, don't remember, Facebook Marketplace hit different. You know what I'm talking about.
But nah, then wait. We're gonna get different wheels. Our wheels is cool, don't get me wrong. Like,
yeah, they kind of nice, y'all.
Yeah,
I ain't gonna lie.
yeah,
Look it up.
You know what I'm saying?
Just see if I can pop a picture right now. I don't know if it worked or not, but it's cool.
But nah, so get different wheels. They cool, but not me. After I get the wheels and after I get most of the cosmetics done, probably we gonna get an intake.
We going down the same road then, baby.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
we gonna get an intake. Probably gonna get a tune, some kind of tune. We gotta figure out where we'll get that, but that'll happen when it happens. You know what I'm saying?
When it happens. All right.
It'll happen when it happens.
Y'all, let me go back to the install real quick and we get the next person later. All right, next step, just take out these two Phillips and you should be able to just split it down the middle for these two side pieces. Split it down the middle. You heard. All right, next step, just move these 1, 2, 3, and 4, 12 millimeters. And then should be able to just pull this whole thing out, I'm pretty sure. Alright guys, so two of these little clips right here, and you should be able to just pull the whole thing out. Alright, you got the rest of it out, so now let's just take this out and move on to the table. Let's go. Alright, so here is Torque Solutions short throw shifter. I don't have a fully clue of what everything does, but here's actually the locking clip, like just like this. A couple of similarities. I'm guessing it goes out this way. But yeah, looks a lot cleaner. I do like the smooth compared like the textured plastic on this thing. But kind of surprised about this, and I have a couple other ideas about other stuff. But we'll find out as we go. That's the short shifter, and here's the shifter stop. That would have been like on this side right here. We'll find out what happens. All right, after this, all you gotta do is take out these two, and then this 12 millimeter right here, and then we'll find out after that. All right, so you're gonna need a 17 millimeter wrench to hold this in place, and then take out this 10 millimeter bolt right here. Got these two 7 millimeter bolts right here. All right, after this, go ahead and push out that bolt you still got the thing for, and see if it comes out. Well, that was a little too easy, to be honest. And then after that, just go ahead and just take this apart, just like so. Legit just disintegrates. And then let's take out the rest of these bolts right here. And just take out the whole shifter assembly like that. After that, just go ahead and get out these two 10s, and then we'll move on to the O-ring after. Alright, after that falls apart, of course. But we gotta take out this dang O-ring over here. And then, after that, I don't have a punch or anything, but I'm just gonna use one of these small ones and just push out this little pin right there.
Which pin?
It's right there, a little pin right there. Side-by-side comparison right here, just like that. So yeah, next step. So with that, we gotta find a hex bolt, or sorry, what's it called? An Allen key that fits this, and use two screwdrivers to take out this lock right here, which I'll find out how to do that, and I'll come back to y'all. I'll be honest, this is a bit of a pain, but we got it out. And just take out the spring. Now let's move on to the reverse lock right here. So I actually don't know what size this is, but we found one in the metric section because none of the standard. Wait, no. This is a metric. We've been in standard this whole time. No wonder why it didn't fit.
Imperial, yeah.
Oh my god. Okay, that's cool, I guess. Mix it up. All right, let's go ahead and just take off this, and I think we gotta disassemble it inside of that. Okay. A little messy, but here's the excel. Maybe like what? An inch? A little less so?
That's around 2 inches.
Around 2 inches? Yeah, maybe 2 inches.
Inch and a half. Inch and a half, 2 inches.
Alright, remember we're gonna. Oh shit, we got the fucking ring right here. I didn't even see. That's cool though. We don't have to worry about that.
Yeah. Make sure you oil that thing down, boy.
I don't know if I should use this one.
Alright, man, that's the one that came with it, bro. This is talking about.
You're right. This is one with wrappable ropes. Alright, let's go.
We got no way lifting up. We got the blue grease, man. That's all we need right there.
How the fuck we gonna do this shit? Just stick my finger in here?
Yeah, stick your finger, kind of boil that thing down, you know.
This acid, bro.
Yeah, this is black tar. What the hell?
Let's let's just do this.
Yeah, then you just gotta put the balls in, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you lube up the balls real good. Oh, look at that.
Shut up about this.
Hold up. Hold up, though. Hold up, though.
Oh, this is crazy.
Look at him. Come on, boy. Oh, my.
Yeah, hit me up if you ever need some ball greasing, you know what
I'm saying?
Unless you two don't work out, I'm always there.
Yeah, ball grease. Make sure you get all of them, boy.
Yeah,
all the balls.
I think that's good enough. I was about to taste that. That's nasty.
All right, all the balls. The grease.
Time to put from the last one. This little cap off. There you go. My hands are all greasy now. Right there. They're back on the bottom one. That worked. That works.
Anyway, cool. Yeah.
All right, now it's time for something back in. And I'm gonna go with all this mess.
Yeah. Look at this. Yeah. Hey, what did we just do, man?
All right, so you put this hoe in.
Facts.
For the 1, and then 1 and 2, and this piece right here. This one. That's a bet.
Okay. So you have some steps, but self-explanatory.
Yeah, pretty much. After that, it's just putting these two right here to close it off. And it's tight. And here's these right here. These are back in and everything.
So whenever you're taking this damn bolt out,
okay, I'm just gonna keep it a buck with y'all, right?
it's a screw.
Whenever y'all take this bottom piece out right here, we've been doing this for what? Here, let me see. We've been doing this, I'm gonna say, for a whole hour and a half. Right. We got 4 people on board trying to figure out. We thought, let me just take this apart.
Niggas already at McDonald's and shit.
I'm going. We thought
Already at McDonald's.
that this piece goes right here.
Incorrect.
It does not go there.
Incorrect.
We kept going at it, and you can even see like it's like ruining the plastic. But luckily, nothing else goes against us like that, right? This piece actually goes in right here on the bottom part of this piece, and then you look at the cover for it. This has a piece that holds it in place, so you can screw it in, and it's just right there.
That's insane.
We've been trying to figure out. We went through gone through like 4 videos trying to see it.
4 videos.
Nobody said nothing.
Pissed off and shit.
At this point, we know the ins and out of this whole short shift. I can do this for like a fee now,
Teacher
bro.
class.
Yeah, God.
Teacher class.
Like, it's crazy, bro. But we were out to say fuck it and then just put it in. But we were like, you know, let's just do it one more time, find out. Oh my God, bro. This sucks. All right, so they're doing a little dinner break real quick, but I'm gonna finish this up. So pretty much, how you put this bitch back together is the white piece is like this. It connects to the 3rd ball joint of the short shifter. And then the spring goes over and under the blue part, and then the black piece goes in the middle of that. And then you put the screw right between it. And now everything is sturdy, looks great. So at this point, you just put the rest of the stuff back in, like those pieces right here, and go straight back in the car. So I already put it back in. Came with a bunch of 12s, Phillips head screwdriver, and just plug the wires back in. So that's all good. I'm just gonna tighten these down real quick. This where that went. I was like, where'd that go? So let's go like that. Push it in. Let's push this down. I think it's like this. Oh, that's sexy. That is so low. That is actually low. Hold on. That is low.
Take the picture. Take the picture.
Look at one. It sits closer towards you now too.
Yeah.
With the short shifter.
Son. Yo.
You know.
Oh. Look at me, what's up? Let's just kidding.
Let's see. Well, I try when to go in gear. This is like not obviously not like this, you know? This sits, it's, yeah, bro, the short shifters, they make it so it sits towards you. Sounds good.
Sounds good.
Center console.